Tired of digging through Jira menus to find the cumulative flow diagram? In 2 minutes, I will show you exactly where it is. We will start from your Jira dashboard, then navigate through the project, reports, and finally, the CFD. Let us go. So the cumulative flow diagram is one of the most powerful tools for spotting bottlenecks in your workflow, but Jira does not exactly put it front and center. It is buried. I have clicked through these menus more times than I can count, so let me save you the headache. Start from the beginning.
Open your Jira account. Just log in normally, whatever your usual way is. You will land on your dashboard. Now, do not get distracted by all the stuff on the screen. We have a clear path here. Now, find your project on the left side panel, that sidebar on the left with all your project names. Click on the specific project you want to analyze. This is important because each project has its own separate reports, so make sure you are in the right one. If you manage multiple teams, you will have to do this for each project individually. All right, once you are inside your project, look up at the top bar. You will see a few tabs like Board, Backlog, and Code. What we need is Reports. Go ahead and click on Reports. Now, here is where it gets interesting. When you click Reports, Jira shows you a handful of default reports, but the cumulative flow diagram is not one of them. It is hiding. So do not panic if you do not see it right away. You just need to click on More Reports. It is that button right there at the end of the row. Go ahead and click it. This opens the full list of every report Jira offers. It is a long list. Do not let it overwhelm you. Scroll down until you find Cumulative Flow Diagram. And here is the thing. Jira spells it out fully. It says Cumulative Flow Diagram, not CFD. So if you are searching for the abbreviation, you will not find it. Just look for the full name. Click on Cumulative Flow Diagram. And just like that, there it is. Your diagram loads up, usually pretty quick. You will see the colored bands representing your workflow stages. To do, in progress, done. The width of each band shows you how many issues are in that stage over time. Now, here is a practical tip from someone who has stared at these charts for hours. If the band for in progress gets really wide over time, that means work is piling up. Your team is starting more tasks than they are finishing. That is a classic bottleneck. The cumulative flow diagram makes that obvious in seconds. So there you have it. From your dashboard to a complete view of your workflow in just a few clicks. No more digging through menus. No more frustration. You now know exactly where to find the cumulative flow diagram and how to read it. Go ahead and take a look at your own projects. See if you spot any bottlenecks. You might be surprised at what you find.